Hey loves, welcome to a new video. So in today's video, okay, I want to do something different, ne? So I've been thinking about how I've always wanted this channel to be, also based on fashion, not just vlogs and everything. So I was like, for once, let me just try and do something different, fashion related for my channel. I've gotten a lot of compliments from some of the clothes that I wear, so I thought to myself, maybe I should just do a quick what's in my closet type of video for you guys. Quick disclaimer, I am a big fan of fashion. I love fashion with my entire existence. Like, when I tell you, when it comes to fashion, fashion makes me confident. Like, I am at my best when I look great. I feel like fashion defines me a lot. As much as, yes, I do not have the financial needs or the financial stability to afford everything that I want to wear, but like I do try my best to look as good as I can. Obviously, not, mawungibona la ngasekhaya and think, ugh, like when I really put effort and everything into looking good, like I really do come out with great results. Okay, so I am so honored and like happy to do this video. Trust me, like I am happy to do such a video. I know most of these items, not even some, most of you guys have already seen them, but I'm just doing this video for people, who are maybe new to like my channel and my other social media platforms. So if you are interested in this video, you can continue watching. Please do not come for me and be like, no, we just saw this outfit, where, when, you know. First item, as you might have already figured out, is the famous orange two-piece suit. I got a lot of questions when I first wore this and like posted on my Facebook page, because that is literally where I post the most. Instagram hasn't been doing that much justice, so I just kind of post whenever I feel like, but like Facebook is my main account that I love using because I know people engage. This is the set. Okay, it looks like this. This is the top. One thing I love about this top, like it's so tight that I do not even have to use a bra. First things first, I got this at a price of 70 rands. Believe it or not, this is how it looks like. The pants look like this. Okay, as I was saying, I got this eThekwini go 70 rand. Guys, iTheku is very important. iTheku libalekile. Like, if you are a girl on a budget like me, like I know I can't afford to buy in these trendy, expensive stores, please go to eThekwini. Give iTheku a chance. Next item. Okay, I really love this one. I really love this one. Like, okay. Yo, it looks so good. I tried to hide my bra strip, my bra strip. What am I saying? Okay, I tried my best because I do not have like strapless bras, so be with me. Okay, yeah, this is my newly purchased top from Shein. I can't believe I get to say that. Like, I can't believe I get to say an item is from Shein. Okay, but yeah, this is my new purchase from Shein. I haven't really worn this since I got it, and I kind of judged it before wearing it. No man, judge. Like, now that I actually look at it with this skirt, it looks so good, guys. Like, it looks so good. And no, I'm wearing this outfit ain't doing. I'm gonna be running a lot of errands this week, so now I'm thinking, should I post a video after I've worn this outfit and like taken good pictures with, or what? Because what do you mean? What Okay, let me show you guys the full outfits. Let me show you guys. No clap hand like, cause like you'll have to see. No, it won't look as good. Like, okay, let me stand up over much. So let me show you guys the skirt. The skirt is from eThekwini nakhona. I purchased like isketi, all the things that I've mentioned. I got them the same day. Okay, so I'm pretty sure Sakon somewhere, because I really do not know the stores. Like, but like, yo guys, hey guys, siyafe mkhaba, but ninga snack. Next item are these jeans. I got them last year October for my birthday. I wore them recently, which was like my first time. I was a bit like not so sure about wearing them because of the size. Like I got them together with like another dress, of which I also haven't worn before. I got a lot of questions the last time, of which like was the first time I actually wore these jeans, of where I got them from. Guys, I will say it again, this is a size 28. Yeah, it is meant to be a baggy jean, but I feel like it was just a bit too oversized for me, because at that time I like lost a lot of weight, so I just recently like wore it for the first time, and I got a lot of questions. Like people really did love the jean, and again, it is from eThekwini, guys. Please go to a town. Please go to a town, guys, and get yourselves the cheapest. The jeans are from eThekwini also, like because I do know where they're from. They're also from eThekwini, so yeah, like I said, try out eThekwini, guys. Lingal under my second item. Okay, let me just start with the top. Is this pink top. This top is from Mr. Price. Yeah, this top was from Mr. Price. I've actually worn it like a few times. Yeah, lighting isn't doing justice, but that's fine. Okay, that's fine. So yeah, I got this at Mr. Price in a size small, if I remember correctly. I really do love it. It's just that like I feel like I haven't really gotten like things to like properly match it, but I really do love this top. Like, and also for the pants, I got these also from Mr. Price. I think I actually got these two items the same day. You know, Mr. Price or eThekwini. Guys, one thing about Mr. Price or eThekwini, if there's one thing that I've noticed, it has some really great clothes. Like I feel like in as much as the store is fine, but most of the items are fine. Like again, I don't know, like maybe it's my view, but like I've been to Mr. Price and then went to Mr. Price around the same time, and most of the items that I found weren't really exactly the same as, you know, but a sequel. Okay, so as I said, the jeans are from Mr. Price. I actually got these jeans in the kids section. They are a size 13 to 14, because I really like, I remember the day I was looking for cargo jeans and I couldn't find them anywhere. Some of them had way too many pockets, like and ekugcineni, of which like Mr. Price ngisho ukuthi indawo engazi kahle ukuthi uma sengihlulekile ngigcinela ngakhona, you know. Like this, look at the pink, you can see like it's a bit brighter than how it was showing in the front camera. Next item is this shirts from Mr. Price also. Guys, when I tell you that I got this shirt probably 5 to 6 years ago, like I'm not even lying, guys. I'm not even lying. I couldn't find anything to match it with, you know. sometimes I don't know, like I think it looks better with these baggy jeans now that I actually like look at it. Like I don't know, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. But like now that I actually look at it, it looks way better. Like it looks so much better. Like look at the back. It's such a great shirt now that I actually look at it. Hey, it has gamepad. Because why haven't I worn this? Like, okay, so this this is what it looks like. Okay, like this is the texture. It's silk. It is silk, guys. Please do not mind my hair. Like I'm trying to be as, you know, good looking as I can, because looks great. Guys, I so wish I could use the back camera to do the entire video, but like, yo, I'm scared. Like, what if the angle doesn't look good and I'm bone? Because look at my tripod. Like, this is the tripod. So uma ngiflathelisa, I won't even see ukuthi kuvela kanjani. I don't know. Last like, but not least, let's start off with e-top, which is also one of my favorite. Like my recent purchases are literally like my favorites. I really do love them, but it's not like very recent. It's, yeah, this top is from last year. Okay, so yeah, I got this from Mr. Price last year, early last year, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I'm gonna try and show you guys the pants. Yeah, so these are the pants. I got these also this year. I've had them for a while. I recently just wore them in like my last video, of which you'll have already seen probably. I got them last year and didn't have anything to match the pants with. That is why I didn't wear them for like the longest time. But I recently found a shirt from Shein, of which you'll probably did see from my last video. So yeah, these are the pants. If you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, we have come to the end of the video, unfortunately. But yeah, hopefully I will get to do more of these. Probably I will get to do more of these, you know, as I kind of evolve into my new style, because like I am trying to change my style a bit, you know. I've really been inspired lately to just, you know, try and try new styles, try new trends. That is my mission, you know, as much as like I do not have the financial stability, as I said, you know, but like with what I have, because like I said, eTable is literally, you know, like the cheapest place you could find great clothes, beautiful clothes. Actually, like eTable really does have beautiful clothes on a very low budget. So if you are a girl like me, as we stress, you know, just wanting to buy the most expensive clothes from all these trendy expensive brands, like, trust me, like, you know, but I'm pretty sure like most girls, like I know a lot of girls abagqoka eThekwini and bagqoka kahle, of which ngisafuna ukulazi kangcono. Like that is my mission, to like go back and ngiyobheka kwezinye indawo, and maybe as time goes by I will get to like learn new places and stores, and also plug you guys directly, you know, from the stores as I get to, you know, like the more ngilfunda, I will get to plug you guys directly from where I got the items from. But for now, like ngizolokhu ngithi table, but like do experiment, guys, eThekwini. If you have someone who has isikhathi sonke to help you explore eThekwini, please go there. Please go there, guys. Like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, leave a comment if you know, you can. And maybe do comment on like your favorite items or anything, and maybe we could like plug each other, you know. Like I would also like to get to take tips from you guys on which places could I like try out and everything. But yeah, more than anything, thank you guys for watching. um yeah.